Hi Samantha, it's great to see you. I think the last time we met was in February this year.
Correct, yes.
Okay, so after you attended the coaching session in February, and now it's early April, slightly over a month, maybe you want to share with us what kind of results did you get?
Actually, after attending your class in February this year, so over a month, slightly over a month, I actually got from 0 viewer to 630 viewer for just that 1 month over. Then it's actually I'm doing a psychology business, and this has definitely helped lift my sales revenue. Yeah, quite a lot. Yeah.
Wow, so
Yeah.
you went from 0 to about 600 plus. Were they inquiries or viewerships?
There were like, I would say that there were quite a lot of inquiry coming in. I'm surprised. Yeah, they actually went to my website through the Google My Business. Yeah, and from there I actually got their awareness, and they come forward to find out where is my office, where's my clinic, yeah, all that.
Okay, so I'm glad you actually joined us for the personal branding on Google because it definitely helped your business. Okay, maybe you don't want to reveal the actual sales revenue, but was it from like 3 figures to 4 figures or 4 figures to 5 figures? What was the jump?
It's actually from 0 figure to almost like 1, 2, 3, 5 figure.
Wow, I mean that's impressive. Okay,
Yeah.
that's slightly over a month. Okay, great.
Over a month. Yes,
So
yes.
as a coach, I'm happy for you, and of course, I think we can do more together. Okay, so I wish you all the best. Keep in touch. Thank you, Samantha. Thank you. Bye bye. Bye bye.